Hi guys, Simon here at Unity Beach. Great day, a little bit breezy, but a great day here in Brean Sands. So I want to show you what we've got available now on our Primrose Way. So these are great vans for families. If you're thinking about renting out or guaranteed lettings, these are absolutely perfect. So I introduce to you the ABI Keswick. Let me inside. Welcome to my caravan. So ABI Keswick, 3 bedrooms, like I said, perfect family vans, or for those that want to get the best of both worlds, to sub-fund their existence here at Unity Beach by letting their caravan out, and we can take care of all that for you. Come on in. So the Keswick is a great van. This will be staying here on Primrose Way. We'll leave the decking on for you. If you want to extend it in the future for a full wrap deck, that can be done for you. But what I like about these vans is a massive seating area, 3 bedrooms, bed underneath the sofa, so sleeps 8 comfortably. But this, if you are a family, and I'm a family guy, I can tell you that getting my kids when they were younger to sit down and eat their dinner was an absolute nightmare, especially when they were excited. So now we have the ability to pin them in to eat their dinner. So plenty of space in here, lovely feature fireplace, great space for your media, okay? And if you're entertaining a family of 4 and your friends next door, 8 people in here, dead easy. So centrally heated, double glazed, really thermally efficient, nice kitchen area, integrated microwave. There's your hood and cooker and integrated fridge and freezer. Let's see the bedrooms. Come on through. So our first door is our master bathroom. Plenty of space, fully functional, double aspect shower, and then we're down to the first of 2 twin bedrooms. Number 1. And bags of storage in these things, loads and loads of storage. Always handy to have a little bit of a storage cupboard. That's where our boiler will live, and of course your Hoover. Second bedroom is a twin again, plenty of space and loads of storage. And then we move through to basically what I think this van is all about, mum and dad, quite clearly. So master bedroom is a great size. We have a lovely vanity area, just so you can sit, guys, and do your makeup, okay? Nice wardrobe space, and what everyone wants in the master bedroom is an ensuite. So as an owner here at Unity Beach, you will get 12 passes for you, your friends, your family to come and join us. You can stay as much as you want or as little as you want, and if you're not here, let us rent it out for you. It makes your caravan purchase make sense. You will cover the cost of your site fees. You'll allow people to come and enjoy what we've got to offer here at Unity Beach, and that's the pool complex, the sauna, steam room. You can join the gym. It's all part of the fees. Multiple entertainment venues, food and beverage everywhere, but more importantly, you are coming for a lifestyle change to Somerset. So 7 miles of beach on one side and hundreds of square miles of beautiful countryside to the rear of our park. Whatever information you need about renting out, about ownership, about just coming down and joining us here at Unity Beach, give me a call, 07973 620 351, and whatever you're doing today on this sunny Monday, have a great one.